If you wonder why I come to work every day, it is to interact with this stellar cast of faculty members who keep on changing the world and keep on changing the world for the better.
I really love this event because it's a chance to come together and share some excitement about all of the exciting creative activity and innovative research that we have going on our campus. This is really a chance to celebrate the faculty and the students who make us the outstanding university that we are.
We celebrate the faculty by highlighting a few projects. You'll hear 3 great things today, but remember these are 3 great things out of nearly 2,500 faculty.
Today, I want to share with you a story of collaboration.
We build things together, big projects that improve lives. Our partnerships produce meaningful change.
What are the biggest challenges that humanity faces these days? And how are we going to solve them all?
The future is about helping students redefine their education. It is not about how behind you are, but how you obtain unique and diverse experiences.